Right, good afternoon, Professor. Hope you're having a great week thus far. So today I'll be going over content delivery, more specifically the innovator's mindset, chapters 1 through 3. So I want to go ahead and start off with two statements that were made in the book. The first by Einstein Maxim, which states, "Once you stop learning, you start dying." And I think that's critical when looking at education, especially educators themselves, that we need to be lifelong learners and continue to learn no matter what age we are or what environment we are in. Next, that I really liked was, we forget that if students leave school less curious than when they started, we failed them. So we need to kind of build that curiosity with amongst our students and let them free amongst society, make true change for the better that we want to see. Some of the takeaways from chapters 1 through 3 is, first, innovation can be something totally new or a change of something that already exists, right? And so if you look, I got an example with the light, that through time, the concepts stay the same, but innovation still happened where something got better as time progressed. And as well as innovation is a way of thinking, right? How can I get better? How can I make something easier and more efficient? Moving on. So one of the takeaways was, designing solutions with both the individual's interest and the end goal in mind is crucial for any innovation to be successful. I really found that as a strong statement out of these chapters. And then innovation mindset is a growth mindset, right? So you have to believe that anything is possible, that you can accomplish anything if you put your mind to it. You must be resilient. You must have grit. You must not be willing to give up when times get hard. And what's going to happen is, not only will your students, but the administration, the other teachers around you, will see your persistence, and they'll want to hop on board with what you feel so passionately about. And then some of the things also, I saw like a lot of correlation between the ISTE standards as well as the characteristics of an innovator's mindset: being empathetic, all right, taking risks, networking, being observant. As far as the ISTE standards, right, we have being a leader, being a learner, a collaborator, a facilitator. I saw a lot of correlation between these two. And so I feel like if you are touching on these characteristics of an innovator, you're also hitting on these ISTE standards, right, which I think are critical to being an innovator in the educational realm. And last but not least, most important, I think we as educators must not be afraid to take risk, right? And we may fail the first time or the second time, but it's in the hope that we provide our students with the best possible instruction as possible, the best possible environment for our students to thrive and succeed and prepare them for the world of tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching and have a great week.